What mass in gram of Na2SO4.7H2O contains exactly 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 22 atoms of oxygen? First of all, Na2SO4.7H2O, इसमें हम number of oxygen atoms find out करेंगे. It will be equal to 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. Now we will find the mass of these 11 oxygen atoms. It will be equal to 11 into 16. This is equal to 176 gram. Now we know that 16 gram of oxygen, it contains Avogadro number of atoms, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms of oxygen. But oxygen का mass कितना आया है 176, that is 176 gram of oxygen will contain 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 upon 16 into 176 atoms of oxygen, which is equal to 662.42 into 10 raised to the power 22 atoms. इसको हम 1 consider कर लेते हैं. Now we will find the molar mass of Na2SO4.7H2O. It will be equal to Na2 के लिए हो जाएगा 23 into 2 प्लस सल्फर के लिए 32, O4 के लिए 16 into 4 plus 7 into वाटर का मास होता है 18. दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 268 ग्राम पर मोल. इसको हम 2 कंसिडर कर लेते हैं. सो फ्रॉम 1 and 2, फ्रॉम 1 and 2 वी कैन से दैट यहाँ से हम देख सकते हैं दैट 662.42 into 10 raised to the power 22 atoms ये Na2SO4.7H2O के 268 ग्राम में प्रेजेंट रहेंगे. दैट इज 662.42 into 10 raised to the power 22 atoms of oxygen are present in 268 gram of Na2SO4.7H2O. बट क्वेश्चन में ऑक्सीजन के कितने एटम्स गिवन है 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 22. So this much number of oxygen atoms of oxygen will be present in 268 upon 662.42 into 10 raised to the power 22 into 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 22 gram of Na2SO4.7H2O. This will be equal to 2.436 gram, which is approximately equal to 2.44 gram of Na2SO4.7H2O. This is the required mass of Na2SO4.7H2O, जिसमें 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 22 atoms of oxygen present रहेंगे. So this will be your answer.